Hi friends, welcome to Moscow CBSE YouTube channel. If you are watching our channel for the first time, please do subscribe our channel and click the bell icon so that you will not miss any of our new videos. Today, let us see an interesting video on memory in humans. We all remember most of the major events from our birth till yesterday, and we don't remember certain events too. Can you say the reason for this, kids? Yes, it is all because of memory. What is memory? Memory is a set of process we record, store, and it comes in front of us when needed. It is needed for using our past and present experiences and continue and what has to be done in future. Is there any types of memory? Yes, there are three types of memory: sensory memory, short term memory, and long term memory. Kids, do you know which portion of our brain controls this memory? The temporal lobe and hippocampus, a region under the temporal lobe, is responsible for brain memory functions. Sometimes our grandparents they do not remember where they have kept their spectacles. What may be the reason? They have undergone memory loss. They do not remember. So what is this memory loss? It occurs due to various reasons. Some of them are aging, stress, lack of sleep, alcohol, tobacco or drug usage, smoking, depression, nutrition deficiency, head injury, some medical prescriptions, stroke, etc. Also, sometimes we too don't remember what we ate yesterday morning, but we do remember what we had ate in the last week function. Why there is a mismatch in these kids? It is usually referred to as short term and long term memory loss. Short term memory loss, it is usually measured in minutes to days. But long term memory loss, it is measured from years to decades. Whether this memory loss is a serious problem or does it create any problem? Yes, kids, this memory loss leads to various conditions and sometimes diseases. Some of the conditions are dementia, forgetfulness, mental disorder, mid cognitive impairment, and Alzheimer's disease, usually in old age. Whether this memory loss can be rectified or can be prevented, surely we can prevent it by following certain measures. Some studies have reported that the memory of the human brain starts in our womb around 20 weeks of conception itself. We can prevent the memory loss by having a healthy diet, meditation, exercising, and quitting tobacco drug usage and having a peaceful, sound sleep. These are some basic concepts of memory, kids, we shall see in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe Moscow CBSE for more interesting videos. Thank you.